welcome to Raymerwood, y'all. We are at Brent Lineberger's place, my good buddy who's got a Lineberger Tree Service Company. Brought over some pecan logs over here. One of his crew members asked me if I wanted some pecan. I was like, sure, I don't use it to smoke meat or anything like that. So I'll probably just use it for firewood right now. And I know that may upset some of you. Pecan wood for just firewood. But that's kind of, I don't really have any customers asking for smoking wood. So anyway, if I do, then maybe I can process it into smoking wood, maybe smaller chunks, things like that. But for now, it'll be firewood. There's also a mixture of cypress logs in here, and I don't think I want anything to do with the cypress logs. I mean, I guess it'll be good for firewood, possibly, kind of like the juniper trees, I'm assuming, because it's such a soft wood. I don't know, but I mean, it smells nice and it's pretty. I just don't know what I can really do with the cypress logs. So, where the bark just peels right off. Look at that. Look at that. This comes off in strips. Anyway, so we got all these pecan logs right here. We got 30-inch diameter logs, some pecan logs, so tons of firewood I can make from it. As long as I can get a straight 16-inch piece, and we want to make sure of that. That's important to me, especially on such a large log. I can get a lot of great, perfect-looking firewood from that. Got some crotchy stuff in here that I'm gonna have to further process, probably. May even have to rip a lot of it, just so I can use it for firewood and have decent pieces out of it, because I'll end up throwing away a lot of this stuff because you just can't make good firewood out of something like this. It's got two branches coming off of it, a massive knot, so I'll have to figure out what to do with that. But there is some beautiful stuff over here, beautiful stuff. Way back here, got a little blue staining. I don't know if y'all can see that in the camera. Way over here. So it may have a little metal in it, possibly. Some of this stuff is just massive. And he just dumped it with his dump trailer, just dumped it over here for me. But I'm excited about it. I'm excited to get started. I'm going to buck up as much as I can right now. So let's go ahead and get started. Fun times. Fun times. It's nice to not have any wind like I did yesterday. There was so much wind. I know y'all had a hard time hearing me at all, so I apologize for that. But today it's much better. Not much traffic noise, not much wind. It's nice. think I know why I dulled my chain. See that? Obviously, you can see all that blue staining there. I did not see that when I did it the other day when I came out here and started bucking up some of this wood, this pecan wood. Anyway, I think that's a nail. Pretty sure that is. But yeah, that was a doozy. It's like I sheared it right off, at least some of it. Fun stuff. Look at all this beautiful pecan. Happy birthday, Merry Christmas. Look at that, and I got a lot more to do. Fun stuff.
So it's about 17 inches right from here. How well y'all can see that. Made him take a big old block here, rectangle. See where the undercut was cut out there. Unfortunately, they'll lose a little bit, but it's mostly sapwood and most of the bark there. It's not too bad. That's a beautiful piece of wood there. Not so much on that side, but what I just cut, so nice. These guys too. Make that into a piece of firewood. Hopefully I can shave that off right there with the splitter. I'm hoping split it right there. I don't know. We shall see. Same thing here. It's about 17 inches, 16 to 17 inches. So hopefully I can, right there, hopefully with the log splitter. That's what I'm hoping. I can get some beautiful pieces out of it. I don't know where that metal is, but it's somewhere in there.